Peekaboo, what is up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a bedazzled face mask, and if you want to see how I did that, let's get into the video. Hope you can learn something. Starting off, I'm just going to list my materials on the screen, and although I have a lot going on in the video right now, I did not even get to use all of this, but if you want to, that is fine. I'm going to start off with my naked face mask, and then I'm just going to take my pink rhinestone mat because this is what matches my brand closely, and then I'm just going to start measuring it up on the face shield so that I can get the portions I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut some more parts as I measure them so that everything is well put together. After that, I'm just going to measure it and see how good it looks, and then I'm going to go ahead with the glue gun, and then I'm just going to start gluing it together. A little goes a long way. You just need to put little glue, and then you just need to glue it as fast as you can. PS, this thing hurts so badly, so you better wear something safe. Again, I'm going to continue with the second part, and for this one I'm just going to do it in steps. I'm going to put the lower layers first, and I make sure that my rhinestones match each other. Since the rhinestones come in a mat and they have rows and columns, I'm just going to make sure that they match each other, and then I'm going to glue it down. After gluing the other parts together, I'm just going to go from the inside, and then I'm going to make sure that everything is seamless, and I'm going to stretch it out a little bit so that it doesn't wrinkle by the side, and then I'm just going to glue it down and finish the top. So for the top, I'm going to do it a little bit more slowly so that you can see. Right now I'm trying to make sure that the rows match, and then after that I'm going to glue everything down together as I did with the back. I'm going to cut off the excess parts, and then to make sure that everything is extremely smooth, I'm going to just glue it down from side to side, beginning with the bigger pieces and then working my way to the middle. And that is basically everything. I'm going to go ahead with my razor cutter, and then I'm just going to neatly cut out the excess pieces which are not needed. An X-Acto knife is perfect for this, but I do not have that, so I'm making do with this one. At the end, I added the rhinestone mat to the base so that everything is going to look really nice. And if you're really extra, you could also bedazzle your handle, and then you can go ahead and put your brand logo or whatever thing you want to add. And that is it for this video, you guys. Make sure you leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.